All right, 80 says 10 guys. Are your floorboards filling up with water? It's not the windshield, it's not the back window, but there's water coming in. Usually you can tell because there's rust on the floorboards. This is not that bad. I mean, it's pretty gnarly in some spots. But the question is, if you look through the hinge hole, oh, ding! See that there? See the light way down at the bottom? That's the drain. Now we go over to this side. It doesn't matter how much you move, you cannot get light. So what happens is it fills up in the fender, and then it starts coming out of the screw holes that hold this trim in. So, see the screw holes? The water comes in and it runs down and fills up in pools. So you think it's the windshield, but it's not.